Hey, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be looking at how to change your search engine in Google. I have my Chrome set to Microsoft Bing Search, so I will be changing it soon. So to change your search engine, go to the three dots and go to Settings. Down below, Edit. Click on it and scroll down till you see search engine. Then here select the down arrow. You can select any search engine you want, but I'm selecting Google for right now. After you've selected your search engine, just open new tab and close the setting tab. So this is how you change your Google search engine. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you at the next one.